Welcome back. Resident junior doctors at GMC have decided to stage an indefinite strike from Thursday onwards. Reason: poor water supply in their hostel. They had meeting with Dean, Medical Superintendent, PWD officials and GSIDC officials on Wednesday, but it could not yield any amicable solution.
Poor water supply now hits the junior doctor residents. They are in agitation mode. Doctors have decided to go on an indefinite strike from Thursday. From last 3 months, resident doctors are facing acute water shortage. Several times they had complained to concerned authorities, but there was no action. On Wednesday, all the junior doctors met the Dean Pradeep Naik and raised the issue. Dean assured smooth water supply at the hostel. But this doesn't seem to have impressed doctors.
They complained that they are having poor water supply since yesterday, and there was no water supply in the RMO's hostel today morning. That's why in the morning they came and met me. So we have ensured that they have been given water supply with tankers through PWD. So today water supply was given to them. By 10 o'clock water supply was given to them. So after that they joined the duties back. But however, they have given a notice for 24 hours notice for going on indefinite strike. Immediately after that we have taken action on it. That the additional secretary came here, the PWD officials came here, we went to the hostel, we inspected the site also, and decision has been taken to restore the water supply, that whatever pipeline was coming, they are going to restore the pipeline within 24 hours, and additional tankers also they are going to ensure supply.
PWD has supplied 6 water tankers to resident doctors' hostel. The daily demand is almost 45 cubic meters of water, and if the water supply is still not enough, water tankers will be engaged. Dean informed that within 24 hours, GSIDC will take repair works of the pipeline.
Vacant post of public prosecutors and assistant public prosecutor will be filled within a year. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar also announced that if required, additional posts will be created to dispose of the cases soon. He also said that a witness-friendly computer program will be set to avoid inconvenience caused to the witnesses. Ponda MLA Lau Mamledar had questioned the government on frequent adjournments sought by the APPs and hardship caused to the witnesses.
Total अजूनही 5 PPs आणि 6 APPs post vacant आसा. इतल्यो केसीस पेंडिंग, इतले APPs vacant आसा. विटनेसांक कोर्टान आपयता. विटनेसांक APP ना, PP ना म्हणून परत वचचें पडटा. आनी सदांच प्रोसिक्युशनाक इफेक्ट जाता.
इतल्या बेगीन पोस्ट भरप ही तुजी डिमांड आहा.
हय, बेगीन पोस्ट भरचे. बेगीन आनी त्या शिवाय दुसरे एक स्पीकर सर वांगडा सांगता. दुसरो एक डिमांड सांगा की स्पीकर सर की APP ना जाता किंवा लिव्हर वता, तारीख दिता, विटनेसांक आपयता, विटनेस आपलो काम धंदो सगळें सोडून प्रोसिक्युशना खातीर येता, आपल्या खातीर येना तो, आनी ताका कितलेशें नुकसान जाता ह्या कडेन, त्या खातीर तो ताबडतोब भरचे.
स्पीकर सर, हांव 2 गोष्टी करून घेता. नंबर 1, I will fill in the post. If required, additional post will be created. Number 2, तू म्हणटा ते परफेक्टली हा, विटनेसांक अननेसेसरी आपोवप हाडप, त्यामुळे म्हाका दिसता एक कॉम्प्युटरायज आमी वेबसायट किंवा तशा प्रकारचे पोर्टल डेव्हलप करून घेता की ज्या जाग्यार एखादो APP जर तूं एखाद्या दिसा येवचो ना जाल्यार तो पयल्या दिसा तो फॅक्ट कोर्टाच्या नजरेक आनी विटनेसाच्या नजरेक हाडून दिवंक जाय ताणें. ह्या दृश्टीन कितें तरी हांव प्रोग्रामींग करून घेता. आय वील मेक इट मोर विटनेस फ्रेंडली so that witness does not have to come and then go back. I agree with you what you say. एक म्हाका 6 महिने ते वर्ष लागतले.
Accused builder of Kankana Ruby residency Pradeep Singh Biring has been traced by the Interpol. He is in Manchester, England. Crime branch is in a process to get him extradited. But the police sources say the process will take time. Pradeep Singh Biring is absconding since collapse of buildings of Ruby residency. On 4th January this year, 31 labourers had died and many were injured in the building collapse.
After evading inevitable arrest for more than 8 months, accused builder of Kankana's Ruby residency, Pradeep Singh Biring, has finally been trapped in the net. Upon lookout notice issued by the Crime Branch, International Investigating Agency Interpol has traced Pradeep Singh Biring in Manchester, England.
We have received a communication from Interpol, from the CBI, saying that Pradeep Singh has been located in Manchester.
SP Crime Branch Karthik Kashyap further says that it will take time to get Bering extradited to India. Bering is a British passport holder and as per law in England, he can only be extradited after framing of charges.
We'll start with the extradition process after the mandatory charge sheet is filed in the local. Once the extradition process starts, the local court there will decide whether to extradite him here or not.
Crime Branch is yet to file the charge sheet in this case. According to sources, government is yet to approve the charge sheet as 8 accused out of all 11 accused are government servants. On 4th January this year, one of the buildings of the Ruby residency had collapsed, killing 31 labourers and leaving several labourers injured. Another accused builder, Jagdeep Sehgal, is also absconding. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.